Welcome to the Proteus product demo. Proteus is a control tower that helps companies to track and manage their supply chain activities from a single point, enabling them to quickly identify and address issues such as delays, disruptions, and bottlenecks. A typical supply chain process involves planning, where businesses plan and forecast their demand. Sourcing, which involves identifying and selecting suppliers. Procurement, a stage where businesses negotiate and finalize contracts with suppliers. Production, which involves converting raw materials or components into finished goods. And inventory management for storing finished goods in warehouses or distribution centers. Transportation of goods, including supplier to the manufacturer and from the manufacturer to the customer. And finally, delivery to the customer or end user. For example, this is the supply chain process of a basic t-shirt. Now, any disruptions in the process can cause significant financial and operational damage to businesses, resulting in lost revenue, increased costs, and reduced profits. This is where Proteus comes in. The control tower adds a layer of visibility and intelligence by integrating data from multiple sources such as suppliers, warehouses, transportation providers, and retailers to provide a view of the entire supply chain network. The control tower panel on the left provides a high-level summary of issues across all orders. On the right side, you have a list of individual orders and issues predicted along their journey. By clicking on an order ID, you can fetch more details about the order. Through this incoming order section, executives can map the entire supply chain and optimize it before the supplier accepts the order. Now, once the supplier accepts your order, it moves into the active orders section. This section provides a map-based view for disruption monitoring and KPI scorecard for your business. You can then look at the active issues along each phase of supply chain journey and start taking action for each order. Order history section shows the final status of each order and issues resolved. It highlights the cost and time saved by resolving the issues. Now, if you click on an individual issue at any given time, you'll see the issue details and the list of previous actions initiated. The AI model recommends the top 3 options to resolve this issue. On the left side, if you click on Supplier Info, you can see the list of all suppliers by industry and their individual profile. You can manage each supplier profile by adding or editing documents. With Proteus, we believe that companies can save up to 45% of 1 year's profits over a decade, which is typically lost due to disruptions across a supply chain journey.